Hello everyone, welcome to another product demo video from MiPOS systems. Today I'm going to demonstrate you about trigger products. What it means is when you have, for example, beer or liquor, you wanted to trigger a shot or a glass from a keg or a bottle. What that means is, let's say for example, I have a Glenlivet 12. I give a shot for $11 and I wanted to trigger a portion from a bottle against this shot. So there's 700 milliliters. There's about 23 shots worth about 30 milliliters each. So what I do is I have a bottle. My product is 1044. It's somewhere there. And what I want to do is every time I sell Glenlivet 12 as a shot, I want to reduce 0.043 of a bottle, which gives you, when you sell 23 shots, it gives you as close as a range of a bottle so that you can stock control your bottle and then sell a shot. Similarly, you can do that for kegs and beer glasses, schooners, or whatever against the milliliters, that you can trigger a certain core, like a stock taking unit. When you sell, that will trigger the main product. So, for example, I have this Glenlivet 12 as a shot, and then I'll display the bottle as well. So right now I got 13 bottles and a 0.659 of a part bottle. What I'm going to do is I'm going to tell two shots of Glenlivet, and I will remove this for a second. I'm going to go ahead and pay these two shots. Let's say it's from cash. I don't want receipts or dockets. And let's go back and check the bottle, and you can see it's been reduced by 0.043, two times of 0.043, to reduce the quantities from the bottle stock. Similarly, you can do this for beers as well. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you from another product demo video from MiPOS systems.